when it comes to building your credit, when it comes to like building your credit profile, me personally, I went through certain steps to build my credit up to where 4 years later, my net worth is $2 million. But you have to start from step one. One of the steps that I started with was First Progress credit card. All right. First Progress is a secure credit card that reports to all three agencies. And the reason why I like First Progress is because you could deposit anywhere from $200 to $2,000 on the card. For me, I put the whole $2,000 on the credit card. That's what I did. All right. If you can't afford that, put 200, 300, 400, whatever you could afford to put on the card, you put that on the card. But for me, I put the whole $2,000 on the First Progress credit card. So, why is this important? This is important because when lenders look at your credit report, they see who trusted you with credit. All right? So if a lender look at my credit report and they see, oh, he has $2,000 with this particular lender and he has good standings with this particular lender, we're going to give him 5,000 because he's been doing good with the 2,000. That's the way credit works. Hey, what's up, guys? If you're looking for credit repair, business funding, business creation, please reach out to us. We are your all-in-one business and credit needs. When it comes to credit, they base your credit based off of previous credit. So if you could get secure credit cards with 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, if you could get previous credit cards with those limits, then lenders are most likely to give you higher limits based off your previous limits. If I had a car note, think about this. If I bought a 1999 Acura and I paid that Acura off, and in 2023 I want to buy a 2023 Benz, but they see I paid that Acura off, guess what? Ben's gonna give me that car because Ben's seeing that I paid the Acura off. This credit shit ain't that hard. It ain't that hard. Link in, tap in, let's get you some money.